Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Enhanced water supply scheme for William Nagar in the offing. Piglets distributed to 500 farming families of Tindring area. Meghalaya DGP flag off BSF Shillong Delhi motorcycle rally. And 3 suspected drug traffickers arrested from Madanrating. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Minister of State Housing and Urban Affairs on Thursday laid the foundation for the prestigious Phase 1 in presence of PHE Minister Renekton Lingdo Tongkhar and MLAs Marcus Marak, Jim Sangma and Abdul Saleh at William Nagar in East Garo Hills. William Nagar Urban Water Supply Project Phase 1 was sanctioned at an estimated cost of Rs 121 crores under Amrut 2.0 in the funding pattern of 90:10. The scheme was accorded sanctioned under Amrut 2.0 by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Government of India. This scheme will cater to the water demand of the town up to the year 2050. The present population of William Nagar urban area, having 48 localities and office colonies, works out to be 56,412 people and 7,992 households projected over 2011 census along with institutional and office population. The prospective population considered for the next 15 years, that is the year 2030, works out to be 96,447 people, and the ultimate population for the next 30 years, 2045, is 1,42,118 people. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister expressed his gratitude to the Minister of State for laying the foundation during the 75th birth anniversary of late Purno A. Sangma. Minister of State, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Kaushal Kishore reminded the gathering of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his concerns for the Northeast. Kishore said that William Nagar Water Supply Project is an initiative of the government that will ensure water to every household in William Nagar.
हिंदुस्तान के प्रत्येक घर में सन 2024 तक यानी 2 साल के अंदर प्रत्येक घर में वाटर लाइन बिछाकर वाटर पाइप पानी की पाइपलाइन बिछा करके पीने का शुद्ध पानी वहां तक पहुंचा देने का काम करेंगे। और इसके लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अमृत मिशन 2.0 योजना लागू की। स्वच्छ भारत मिशन 2.0 योजना 1 अक्टूबर 2021 को इसकी घोषणा करने का काम किया। उसी के तहत आपके इस विलियम नगर को पूरी तरीके से हर घर में पानी पहुंचाने के लिए 121 करोड़ रुपए स्वीकृत हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से आपके माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के प्रयास से किया गया है और निश्चित तरीके से हर घर में पानी पहुंचेगा। पीने का शुद्ध पानी आप तक पहुंचाने का काम मुख्यमंत्री जी की सरकार, आपकी सरकार करने का काम करेगी, हम लोगों के सहयोग से, केंद्र की सरकार माननीय मोदी जी के सहयोग से।
As part of the prosperity of grassroots families through livestock interventions, the Deputy Chief Minister Shri Preston Tinsong today distributed piglets to beneficiaries under the Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme of the National Livestock Mission at a program held at Tindring, East Khasias district. Speaking on the occasion, Shri Preston Tinsong lauded the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department for coming up with this initiative, which will benefit the poorest of the poor and also boost their livelihoods. He informed that under this initiative, 3 female piglets and 1 male piglet will be given free of cost for breeding purposes to 500 beneficiaries under Maurinkening constituency. While informing that in case the pig dies within the period of 1 month after receiving, Shri Tinsong said that the government will replace the same with a new piglet. He urged upon the beneficiaries to take proper care of the piglets and to consult the doctors periodically so as to avoid such incidents. Stating that the demand for pork in the state is high, he said that 18,000 metric tons is consumed by the people in the state annually and more than 10,000 metric tons have to be imported from outside the state. The main aim of this initiative is to bridge the gap between demand and supply within Meghalaya, he informed. Others who spoke included Shri Panyat Singh's AIM MLA Maurinkaning constituency, Shri GHP Raju Principal Secretary Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Dr. Manju Nathasi Secretary Animal Husbandry and Veterinary among others.
Hajar ye ke ban yo ya kini ke sembai in kenji kenyata nama pemerintah benar ken bepi hadin jom kan reu benar la ko kenai benar lebih ken pemerintah de September October November December January February March kawai kasar tu lebih yo kabamut ha ubenai March le April katu kesniang jompi ke bapiri ke bapisim mentah kan penik nengkong henriu teli kisniang ken neru benai April mo neru benai April benar dakho bapin kerma bu adu prestu keren munda dan de playo yuta piri heladi lai benai nanta kita henriu teli pila ban bu suru ladi pila perlah bandi Dekan sedang kata ke income generation kaban mik pisan nadu ubenai April.
From July to December 2022, Border Security Force BSF will hold a series of events to commemorate India's 75th anniversary of independence, including a display of BSF bands at various locations, establishments, a friendly volleyball and football match with Border Guards Bangladesh BGB, a motorcycle rally, a run-up on Teachers' Day and various cultural programs. As part of the calendar events, a motorcycle rally was launched from BSF Camp Maupat in Shillong on September 1, 2022 and will conclude in Delhi on September 16, 2022. The rally will feature 30 motorcyclists, 15 from BSF Janbas men's motorcycle team and 15 from BSF Seema Bhavani women's motorcycle team as well as local motorcycles. Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi, IPS DGP Meghalaya Police, flag off the rally on September 1, 2022 from Sector Headquarter BSF Shillong in the presence of Shri Inderjit Singh Rana, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya Frontier and officials from various government offices. The local audience was captivated by the BSF jazz or brass band's rendition of patriotic songs, which was followed by a cultural program presented by BSF school students. Nongpo's Deputy Commissioner and other dignitaries as well as Commandant 172 Battalion BSF welcomed the rally. A short program was presented which included a film about the BSF as well as a yoga demonstration and weapon exhibition. A gallery displaying banners on drug abuse awareness, smuggling prevention and recruitment rules was also set up. While addressing the gathering in Maupat, Shillong, Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi, DGP Meghalaya Police, reiterated that the motorcycle rally is part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. He also stated that the rally will spread a message of national integration and patriotism among citizens. It will also boost the morale of the country's youth, encouraging and motivating them to join the Border Security Force and other forces.
Both the teams, and we are welcoming them in Nongpo after Shillong. I once again extend the welcome to both the teams on behalf of Frontier Headquarters, Meghalaya. As has already been briefed by Sanjay Sharma, Commandant 172 Battalion, the main purpose is to create awareness about national integration and to spread the message of patriotism and fraternity among the youth. BSF team has many records including world records. And this is a pride moment for all of us that today the world famous this team Jambaz team and Sima Bohani rider, they are among us.
Based on a reliable intelligence input, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF East Khas Hills District apprehended 3 drug traffickers, Ronald Lalu, 24, Thangboy Paite, 46 and Banpiralang Shabong, 41 at Lom Jingsuk Block A, Madanrating at around 8 p.m. on August 31, 2022. Among the materials seized from the 3 persons were 26.61 grams of heroin, 31,380 rupees in cash, 4 mobile phones, 3 soap cases, 5 golden tin containers, 4 vials and 1 syringe, 1 TVS scooty bearing registration number ML05L1689 and 1 Hyundai Grande i10 red color vehicle bearing registration number ML05T9261. A case has been registered under Madanting Police Station and investigation is in progress. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.